With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, we're given that x follows a binomial distribution with parameters n and p, where p is greater than 0 and less than 1, and if p x is equal to r and divided by p x is equal to n minus r is independent of n and r, then p is equal to, okay, so we're going to start this question by writing when p at x is equal to r is given by ncr into p to the power r into q to the power n minus r, okay, where q is equal to 1 minus p and value of p plus q will be equal to 1. Okay, this is the general formula p at x is equal to r. Now simply substitute p at x is equal to r and x is equal to n minus r in this formula which is given to us. So the equation given to us is you have to find the value of p x is equal to r divided by p x is equal to n minus r. Okay, so we can write this as ncr into p to the power r into q to the power n minus r divided by, we simply substitute the value of r is equal to n minus r and we'll get nc n minus r into p to the power n minus r into q to the power r. Okay, now we simply substitute q is equal to 1 minus p in this equation, so we'll get ncr into p to the power r into 1 minus p into 1 minus p to the power n minus r divided by nc n minus r into p to the power n minus r into 1 minus p to the power r. Okay, now what we know is that ncr is equal to nc n minus r. Using this we can cut this, okay, and further solving what we'll do is we'll get the answer as, we'll get the remaining part as p to the power r into 1 minus p to the power n minus r divided by p to the power n minus r into 1 minus p to the power r. Okay, now we know the property which says that a to the power r divided by a to the power n will be given by a to the power r minus n. Okay, if a to the power divided by a to the power n, we can simply subtract the value. Using this, we'll use the same property and we can write p to the power r minus n plus r, as you can see, and minus n plus r will become into 1 minus p to the power n minus r minus r. Okay, now we'll solve it further, so we'll get p to the power 2r minus n into 1 minus p to the power n minus 2r. Okay, this will become n minus 2r. Further solving, we can write it as, so now we can write it as 1 minus p to the power n minus 2r, okay, divided by p to the power will become negative, that is going in denominator, so we'll get n minus 2r only, which can be written as now 1 minus p divided by p to the power n minus 2r. Now in this question what we are given is that it is independent of n and r. Okay, to become independent of n and r, what we have to do is we have to put 1 minus p is equal to p, because when these two terms will be cut it out, then only it will be independent of n and r, otherwise it will become dependent of n and r. This is the only case in which it will become independent of n and r, when these two terms will cancel out each other. So from this equation we'll get is 1 is equal to 2p, so we'll get p is equal to 1 by 2. So as in this question we have to find the value of p, so value of p is 1 by 2. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you like the solution.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.